Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And in our previous video, I had talked about the Firebase authentication application, and we had recently created a splash screen for our application in main activity. So you can see that here is our code for splash screen, and now in this video, you remember that we had made an intent for our logging class. So now to design this layout, we are going to design this logging screen in our Firebase authentication application. So let's begin with implementing the full code, and here I don't know why the full preview is not showing, but just this 4 to 5 things is only showing. But we are going to implement like this. So here will be our logo, our title or hello welcome back, then sign in title. There will be one username, password, forgot password button, go button, and new user sign up button. This much things we will have, but here in our preview it is showing just this much. So now let's begin implementing this much things. So first I am going to convert a constant layout to a linear layout, and then we are going to give its orientation to be vertical, and its background will be color white, and its padding will be 20 dp. So after implementing this, we will get our full layout in our white background with orientation vertical. Now we are going to start implementing our design. So here is design. So starting design is visible. So we are going to do work with that. So here is our first design. So in that you can see that our AT logo and the circle. But to implement the background circle, I had talked to you about this background in our splash screen video. So you can check it out that video. And now here we are going to add a background of that logo, and we are going to make an text view which will contain a layout width of. So first let me align the full code by pressing Ctrl Alt L, and after that you can see that its ID is logo image, and I had made its width of 150 dp and its height also 150 dp, and then align its font family that you want. Here I am using Aladdin. After I am going to give its gravity to center so that we got our AT logo in the center of our full text view. After that we have to make its text color to white and set its text size to 100 sp or 120 sp as you want. After we are going to write one heading for our application. So we are going to write Android tutorial because we are going to build an Firebase authentication app in Android tutorial channel. So please make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to watch our playlist of the wallpaper app in Android Studio using Pixels API. How to convert a website into a professional Android app in a Android Studio, this much series, and image to text scanner. Many more application series we are created with free source code. So you can check out our channel name down below this video and click on that, and then move to playlist section. You will find the 6 playlist of Android tutorial and 5 applications. So start watching all that videos and you will learn many more things about Android. So now moving to this video, then we are going to write one text for our sign in. So let me tell you what we are going to write in heading. So in heading we are going to give its ID, that is logo name, and ID is necessary in all this layout because we had to make it animate and make them working in our Java classes. So we have to give all the fields a random ID, and remember when we are doing something that is not much important like here sign in to continue, we are not going to make it animated and we are not going to change it later so we are not going to ID them. Now we are going to make animate with Android tutorial. So here we are going to give its ID, that is logo name, and its width and height allowed is wrap content, and then give its font family, that is Aladdin only, and then I am going to write a text color, that is black. After I am going to give its text size, that is 40 sp, and after that we are going to write one sign in to continue method. So have this will have a text size of 18 sp and uh, font family of Aladdin only, and after that we are going to write its next layout, that is linear layout. So after that we are going to write its width of match parent and its height will be wrap content. So after that we are going to give the linear layout margin top and margin bottom of 20-20 dp and give its orientation to be vertical. Now this part is not visible in design, so you have to adjust with it, so you can see them borders. So first we are going to use the material design edit text, not our simple edit text. So first of all we are going to write input text input layout. So in text input layout we have to write id, that is username, and then we are going to write its style, that is outline box button, then its width will be match parent, its height will be wrap content, and int is username. And after that we are going to write finally input edit text with width will be match parent and height is wrap content. Now copy this same code and implement it again. You will find one password button. You have to write change its id from password and add this password toggle enable to be true, and then give its input type, that is text password. So this much changes we have to done in our input text layout. After that we are going to design our forgot button. So forgot button will be look like this. Width will be 200 dp, its height will be wrap content, gravity will be high, right, and margin will be 5 dp, and we are going to make its background transparent. So to make transparent we have to use 8 times 0, and then give its elevation, that is 0 dp, and then write text, that is forgot password, and make it text color to be black. Now copy that same code, not copy but write this code because we are going to change something. So we are going to give its width to match parent, height will be wrap content, and margin top will be 5 dp and margin bottom also 5 dp, and write its background to be black, and text will be go, and text color will be white. Now copy this previous forgot button layout and change its width to match parent, and remove this gravity right because now it is not necessary, and then give its margin to be 5 db, and we have to just change that text, that is new user sign up. So after this we are going to design our login screen, or you can see login form layout in our Android application. So if you really enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our Android tutorials YouTube channel because we are coming daily with new videos. So thanks for watching Android tutorials, and share these videos with your friends, and don't forget to check out our playlist section. Thanks for watching.